Hello students, welcome to EVS class. Children, today I am going to teach you about chapter 20 Food and Fun. In this chapter, you will learn about community meal like different religious places like at Gurudwara and few others we will discuss. Okay? And what is the importance of having food together? That also we will come to know. Okay? So, I request you all open your ES textbook page number 154 and let's start. Children, Chapter 20 Food and Fun. Tring, 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 the doorbell rang. Manpreet opened the door. She saw Divya and Swastik there. She called out excitedly, Surjit, look who has come. Surjit came running. When she saw her friends, she hugged them happily and said, When did you come from the hostel? Just yesterday, replied Divya and Swastik. Where are your parents? We want to meet them, said Swastik. Children, here is the story about Surjit and Surjit's friends Divya and Swastik. Divya and Swastik, they were staying at hostel for their studies. And they just came yesterday from hostel and today they are at Surjit's place to visit them. Okay? Now let's see what they discuss. They are at Gurudwara. We were about to go there too, Surjit replied. Children, this is a picture of Gurudwara and Surjit's parents were at Gurudwara and Surjit and Manpreet were also about to go there. Oh, very good. We will also come with you, said Divya. You come only in the vacations. Do you like to stay in the hostel? You must be missing your parents, Surjit asked. Children, here Divya and Swastik, they came from hostel. So, Surjit asked, do you like to stay there in hostel? You must be missing your parents, isn't it? So, let's see what they replied. Divya said, we do miss them, but hostel life is fun. Even if we don't always like the food, we enjoy eating together with all the children. You know, when someone in our hostel gets homemade food, we all rush to their rooms. That food gets finished within minutes, said Swastik laughingly. Children, they were discussing about hostel life. Divya and Swastik, they were having fun at hostel. They sometimes don't like to eat food, but they enjoy eating food together with all other children. You know what happened? When someone gets homemade food, then what happened? All the children gather in one room and they start eating that homemade food. And that food get finished within minutes. Isn't it funny? Oh yes. Do you study in a boarding school? If you do not, then try to talk with someone who goes to a boarding school and find out the answers of the question given below. In what ways a boarding school is different from other schools? So, in boarding school, we live with our friends and away from the parents. In other schools, children every day come to the school in the morning and go home in the evening. What kind of food do they get there all kind of food like what we get at home? They get there in hostel. Where do the children sit to eat in the boarding school? The children eat food in their dining hall. Okay, they sit in the dining hall to eat the food. Who cooks food for the children in the boarding school? Who serves the food? The school cook prepares the food and there is helper for serving food. Who washes the vessels? The safai wala person washes the vessels. Do the children miss homemade food sometimes? Yes, they do miss. Would you like to go to a boarding school and why? No, I would not like to go to a boarding school because I don't want to stay far away from my parents. The children chatted all the way, means they were talking and they were discussing all the way to Gurudwara. There they covered their heads. They went into kitchen of the Gurudwara. A lot of activities was going on there. Food was being cooked in huge vessels. On one side, the chana and urad dal was boiling. As you can see, activities like cooking food. Somebody is making chapatis, somebody is making sabzi, vegetable, and like this, many activities were going held there. Okay, so children were observing those activities. In another vessel, the cauliflower and potato vegetable was being made. As you can see, this is such a huge vessel and cauliflower, potato and some peas are also there. This kind of vegetable is being made here. There is your papa, Surjit. Let us go and meet him, Swastik said. Swastik can see Surjit's papa. So Swastik said, yes, your papa is there. Let's go and meet him. What are you doing here? Manjeet Singh was happy to see the children. He's Manjeet Singh, father of Surjit and Manpreet. Okay. So he was so happy to see children whom? Divya and Swastik. So he greeted him. What are you doing here? So he was so happy to see all the children there at Gurudwara. Uncle, can we also help in kitchen? What are you preparing? Swastik asked. Manjeet Singh said, I am preparing Kada Prasad. It takes a lot of efforts to roast the flour in ghee in this big kadhai. Children, Kada Prasad is one kind of halwa or you can see shira. Okay. So, it takes a lot of effort to roast the flour in ghee in this big kadhai. As you can see, this is the picture. The big kadhai is there and flour means atta is there and they are roasting it in ghee. Okay. This is a kind of halwa, isn't it? When you add sugar in it, Divya asked. As you can see, this is halwa made and this is called Kada Prasad at Gurudwara. So Divya asked, when you will add sugar in it? They saw Manpreet's mother rushed to meet her. They also saw Manpreet's mother and they just rushed to meet her. Divya asked, what are you doing, auntie? Beta, we all are rolling chapatis to bake them in this tandoor. See, they all are rolling chapatis and this is You can say tandoor. Okay, these are chapatis in the tandoor. So they are rolling chapatis to bake them in tandoor. So many chapatis at once go. Divya was surprised. Can I help? Sure, come and try. Here everyone can help. But wash your hands first, replied Auntie. Divya was willing to help them, so she asked, May I help you? Auntie said, Yes, sure. You come and try. Here everyone can help, but before coming here, you must wash your hands first. Divya washed her hands and joined the group near the tawa. The tawa was very hot. She started applying ghee on the chapatis as they were being taken out of the tawa. Here is the tawa is so huge, very big tawa, and chapatis are being made here, isn't it? So she has started applying ghee on the chapatis. Swastik wondered and exclaimed, Who brings all the material to cook so much food? One of the ladies answered, Everyone here contributes in some way or the other. Some arrange for the material, some give money, and other help in the work. Everyone contributes by different way. Some arrange the material means the raw food like kacha, rice, dal, some vegetables, some masalas and all, isn't it? Some people give money to buy these things and the other help in the work like cooking work and some dishwashing and everything. They just contributes in some and other way. Swastik, how do you feel it? Said Manpreet. Yes, I am enjoying working with everyone, said Swastik. We hardly realize how all these food items like chapatis, rice, halwa, dal, and vegetable got prepared so fast. I don't understand this. After Ardas means prayer, Kada Prasad was distributed. Some of the boys quickly laid out daris means mat in the veranda and all the people sat down in rows to have langar. Some people served food and others served water. Everyone ate together. Children, here Ardas means prayer. After prayer, Kada Prasad means shira or halwa was distributed. Some of the boys quickly spread out daris means mat on the in the veranda on the floor, and all the people sat down in rows to have langar. Some people served food and others served water. Everyone ate together. As you can see, here they are eating langar. See, mats has been spread here. Okay, so all are sitting in a rows. Can you see this? So this is the langar they are having in disciplined manner. Okay. After finishing food, everyone picked up one's own plate and put it in a big drum. People who were serving ate in the end. They cleaned the place and washed the utensils. Have you ever seen this kind of arrangement, Swastik? Asked Manpreet. Here, after having langar, what do people do? They pick up their own plate and they put it in a big drum. People who were serving, they ate in the end and they all together, clean the place and wash the utensils. So Manpreet asked to Swastik, have you ever seen this kind of arrangement? Now talk about it. The cooking and eating together in a Gurudwara is called langar. Have you ever eaten in a langar? Where and when? Yes, during last birthday of Guru Nanak, I ate langar. Now, how many people were looking and how many were serving the food there? About 50 people were cooking and serving the food at Gurudwara. Are there any other occasions when you have eaten with many people? Where and when? Who cooked and served the food there? During Durga Puja in a temple, the boys of the committee were cooking and serving. Now you can see the different scenes from a Gurudwara. Let's see here. Here is a Amritsar's Golden Temple. It's a Gurudwara. Then Ardas is being offered, means prayer is being offered. Here are the pictures from Langar. In Langar, people are chopping different vegetables. They are cooking dal, vegetable, chapatis. People serving food. These people are sitting in a row and having their langar, means okay. This is a picture from Swaminarayan temple. The picture is of Annakut. Usually people offer different kind of food to their Lord Krishna. As you can see here, the arrangement is beautiful. Now, almonry is held at different temples, means in different temples on special occasions they serve prasad to all the people, and that is free of cost. In Bhandaro, which is held at different temples at Gujarat, many people contribute money, many people contribute material, and few people you can see they're cooking and serving. Okay, so they do serve this food to any visitor who wish to eat, and that is free of cost to everyone. Children, I hope you understood about food and fun. Thank you.